Okay, so we're here in Orlando, Florida. We went over to
So we're in Florida and I'm sticking to my diet. We are actually near a mall and it has a food court. So I went to a place and I got a poke bowl, if I'm pronouncing that correctly. So she did was trying to add rice, and I said, well, no, I don't really want rice. And she took some off, so I just have to not eat that. But this looks so delicious. It's the tuna and salmon. I have some crab in here, onions, red onions and white onions, peppers. What else can I find in here? Lots of green leafy lettuce, and so it looks so delicious. I just have to really be careful with not eating the little bit of rice that's there. Also, I got a Diet Coke, which I don't really like Coke, but they didn't have Sprite. So I opted out of the noodles or rice and went to the same food court again today and got chicken. This is another chicken dish with veggies and then steamed veggies. Everything very delicious.
Yeah, when you get a chance, let me clean my hands.
Right over there.